Today we're making a spiral artificial lei inspired by a fresh spiral orchid lei. I ordered these petals from Amazon in this purple mix. Last week I shared a tutorial using artificial petals. The ones we're using today are more of a silk material and a rounder shape. This lei is going to turn out more like a ribbon lei, but the petals are already cut and the edges are sealed, which saves us some time. I'm going to separate my petals by color. Today I'm using a long needle and dental floss that has been doubled as my string. I'm rolling my petals so that both sides are folded in. Pierce the petal, making sure that you catch both sides of the petal so that it will stay in this shape. I'm piercing the flowers about 1/2 inch from the edge. For this particular spiral pattern, I am doing 2 petals of each color and forming a star shape. Once I have done each color, I'm adding another layer of the color. As I add the second layer of this darker purple, I'm going to add my petals to the right and in between my first layer of dark purple. Continue with each color, adding the new petals to the right and in between its same color. This is what will form the spiral shape. After doing 2 layers of petals, I'm going to push it through the needle and onto my string. If you push through too many petals at one time, it can be difficult to keep the spiral pattern in place. I found it helpful to place something on the end of my string to keep it from rotating so that I can control the placement of the petals as I string them on. I used 2 bags of petals that have 300 petals each. This is a perfect size for a child-sized lei. For an adult size, you will need 3 bags or 900 petals. Here's the finished lei. This lei is easy to make, but it can be time consuming. It took me about 2 hours to create the lei.